Hello friends, today we will discuss about join in SQL, and we will discuss about why joins in SQL. So let's start. So what is join? SQL join are used to query data from two or more tables based on a relationships between column in these tables. Suppose you have many tables and your output will be on maximize use of other table, so we use join, and many types of join. So we will discuss about joins type. So first type is join, and it's also called inner join. What is inner join? Inner join returns only the matching rows. Non-matching rows are eliminated. One match in both tables. Now we see in a picture with example. So here is example join. Here is a left table and here is a right table, and here is matching rows that output give us by join. So let's start our SQL Management Studio. New query window, and interest of time I already typed our SQL code. In case you need, I also enter a description in my video. Now in our example for learn join, we have two tables. One is country and second is cities. So first create a country table and next create a city table, and here is a country ID primary key, and second city table have a foreign key for city country ID. And if you don't know about foreign key, so please watch SQL part 4 constraints. Now we insert some data in country. Here is our demo data for a country name, and now we insert a city data. Here is our city data, and note that city country ID by default is on a country table and Bombay and Ahmedabad null, so keep in mind. So now we have two tables, one is country name and second is city name. Now if we use select statement, we have two output. I also a new query window, and now we use select statement, and we use country. Now we use select statement so we have two output, one is country and one is city. Now we want country name and city name, Therefore we use join. If you use join keyword, so now it is simple. First we close SQL Management Studio and again reopen. So country table and city table red mark will be gone. Now we first join one match in both table and non-matching rows are eliminated. So let's start. In generic sentence for join is like this: select column name you want to, then from table left table, and then join keyword and right table, then on and conditions, join condition, here is sentence for user join. Now we join, select start from cities and join keyword, we use join. For right table country, and when you use join keyword we use on class cities dot city country id is equal to countries dot country id. Now we execute this query. Now we have city name and country name both using join, and now our requirement is that only city name and country name, so we use city name and country name, and country dot country name. Now execute this query. Now our city name and country name in one result, 14 rows affected, 14 rows affected. And now in this result we have 60 row, and in here is a 40 row. Why it's happened? Because Bombay and Ahmedabad city country ID is null, so these are not matching with our condition, so non-matching rows are eliminated like this. Here is our left table and here is our right table. What is our left table? Left table is cities and right table is countries, cities and countries. and only matching rows will give us, other non-matching rows are eliminated. Now second types is left join, but here is some join also called inner join. We use inner join keyword. Output is same. You can use inner join or only join. Now second, left join. What is left join? Left join return all the matching rows and non-matching rows from the left table. Return all rows from the left table even if there are no matching in right tables. Here is our left join. Suppose here is our left table and here is our right table, so only left table data from using left join. Left join countries on class cities dot countryid is equal to countryid Now we have all data from left table. Now left join, in our example for learn left join, we want to all the city from the table, we use a left join, all city name. And one more thing I use for join only. So here is 16 row affected and here is 14 row affected. Join match all the data and left join give us all the left table row. Now left join is also called left outer join, so you can use outer keyword, same result, but our requirement is only city name and country name. Now here is Bombay and Ahmedabad null, foreign key null also give us, that's why 16 records and here is 40 records. And you can use as keyword for a better column name, city name and country name, as cities and as country. Now cities country. So here is a left join return left table data, and third type is right join. So right join, what is right join and why use right join? Right join return all row from the right table even if there are no matches in left table. Here is a right zone, and here is our right table, and here is our left table. So right zone only right table data, and there are no matches with left table data. So we use right zone keyword. Return all the matching rows and non-matching rows from the right table. In our case, now we want to all the records from right side table. Select start from cities, join, right join, countries on class cities dot countryid is equal to country dot countryid. Now 15 row affected. Here is our data from a right side table and null data also. Here is our null data in US. So I show you my table. Demo table. In our country table we have 6 row in US. In our city table we do not use a 6 country ID in our city country ID foreign key. So right zone give us all the right side table data, matching and non-matching also. 14 rows is matching from a left table and 15 rows is not matched with a left table. So right join, why use right join? Right join is used because we get all the data from right side table. So here is our right side table country and left side table city. Here is also right side table country and left side table city. Here is a left side table city and right side table country. And right join also called right outer join. So you can use right outer join. So same result. 15 row affected, same result. Now we use only city name and country name. Now we city name and country name, and last row null US because we do not enter a city in this foreign key. Now last type is full join. What is full join? Full join is return all the row from both the left and right table including the non-matching rows also. Return rows there is a match in one of the table. Full join give us all the data from tables. Now same example using Sql Join. Here is 70 row and 70 row affected for Sql Join. Now we want all the column from a Sql Join. Now our full data using Sql Join, and it is called full outer join. So you can use outer keyword, same result, 17 row affected. And also it is one more join, but it has no own class. Its name is cross join, and it is Cartesian product of the two tables. Cross join do each associate record of the right table, but cross join is not used for many times. Cross join, and here is a red mark because cross join have not own class. Many records from cross join, 96 record, because cross join everything cross tables. So friends, we discussed joins and joins type and why use joins. In a next video, SQL part 9, we will discuss and learn about store procedure, count on or count off in part 9. So friends, thank you for watching this video and have a nice day. And one more thing, store procedure is a useful part of SQL. Join and store procedure, when you made and make application website, you use store procedure for safety reason and injection dependency. So use store procedure and joins using SQL to save your data. So friends, thank you again, thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.